Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to personalize spatial audio for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Now scroll down and you need to find audio effects. Sorry. Then click on it and go to dimensional audio at the top. Firstly, we need to enable spatial audio. In this application it calls immersive sound, so if the slider near to it have empty background, just tap on it one time and we just enable it. Now we can see personalized spatial audio. Click on it. And now remove your earbuds from the charging case and put it to your ears. Then click start and hold your phone straight to your face. Then click play audio. After that, click continue and now hold your phone at 45-degree angle to the right, and then click also play audio. After that also click continue. Now we need to hold the phone at 45-degree angle to the left, and then also click play audio. Now we need to wait. And you can try again if you want to, or turn off it, but I'm just going back and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!